Hello friends, today's topic medical treatment bill becoming costlier by 14% every year. I am Dr. Bharath Chandra. Purpose of the video is financial education of society. We are covering three topics in the video today. Topic number one is medical treatment costs on an average rise between 13 to 14% per annum. Without sufficient health insurance, it is almost impossible to get good treatment for critical diseases. Following is the approximate treatment cost for various critical conditions as compiled by Economic Times. Surgery and treatment 2019 versus 2025. Cancer 26.2 versus 50.8 lakhs. Heart transplant 17.8 lakhs versus 34 lakhs. Liver cirrhosis 12.7 lakhs versus 2025 24.3 lakhs. Kidney transplant 2019 9.3 lakhs, 2025 18.2 lakhs. So if we have a health insurance policy of 3 to 5 lakhs etc., it is too low for treatment of critical diseases. In fact, majority of the people don't have any health insurance, have the feeling that health will always be fine. Better to be prepared by taking sufficient health insurance coverage so that the major hospitalization does not damage our financial position. Topic number two, domestic institutional investors such as mutual funds, banks, insurers and retirement funds have invested more than 3 lakh crore into Indian stock market so far in 2025. This is the second highest annual inflow since 2007. The latest 6 months inflow also marks the strongest half-yearly investment since records began. Experts expect this DII's investment to strengthen the rest of the months of the year too. DII has invested a record of 5.23 lakh crore in stocks in 2024, which was the highest ever in a single year. Year 2021, DII's investment approximately 1 lakh crore. 2022, 2.76 lakh crores. 2023, 1.82 lakh crores. 2024, 5.23 lakh crores and 2025, so far 3 lakh crores. Investment by various categories in 2025 so far. Category of investor, mutual funds, invested amount 1.98 lakh crores. Banks minus 9,450 crores. Insurance companies 42,220 crores. Pension funds 17,543 crores. The monthly inflow into mutual funds through the systematic investment plan route touched a fresh high of rupees 26,688 crores in May. This was despite a drop in inflows into the equity category. The number of contributing SIPs accounts in May rose to 8.56 crore against 8.38 crore in the previous month. The monthly SIP inflows for April were at rupees 26,632 crore. The total SIP assets under management AUM rose to 14.61 lakh crores. The SIP AUM was around 20.24%. Topic number 3. As per news report, Diageo is considering options for its ownership of the Indian Premier League cricket franchise Royal Challengers Bangalore RCB. The company has been holding discussions with potential advisors as it considers a stake sale. Diageo owns the team through its Indian unit United Spirits Limited and may seek a valuation of as much as 2 billion or around rupees 17,000 crores. No decision has been taken as yet. India's health ministry has been proposing to ban promotion of tobacco and alcohol brands in IPL and stop indirect promotion of the unhealthy goods by sports personalities. Explicit advertising of tobacco and liquor products is prohibited in India, but firms such as Diageo have promoted other products such as soda using top cricketers. RCB was initially acquired by Vijay Mallya. Diageo eventually took over RCB after buying Mallya's spirits business. The IPL rising valuations made team ownership one of the most sought after assets in sports. IPL is one of the world's fastest growing sports leagues. The valuation of RCB is expected to rise after its win in this year's IPL. RCB remains one of the most followed sports teams on the social media across the whole world. Here is an announcement. ಮ್ಯೂಚುವಲ್ ಫಂಡ್ಗಳು ಲಾಭಕರವೇ? ಒಂದು ಚರ್ಚೆ ಫಾರ್ ಆಲ್ ಚಾನಲ್ ಮೆಂಬರ್ಸ್ tomorrow 11 June Wednesday at 9:15 p.m. on Dr. Bharath Chandra Institute Kannada channel. And the video, here is a question. What is the coverage amount of a health insurance policy? Type the amount. Type no if you don't have health insurance. In case you are not the member of this channel, this is the time to subscribe. Press the bell icon. Send the video to all your friends. The video is good. Press the like button. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. All the best.